Good morning, my name is Jim Ross, Site Support Manager, SPSenvirowall. Today we're going to talk about Brick Effect Render. Brick Effect Render is a cost-effective, hand-applied two-coat mortar finish that provides the same appearance as a traditional brick facade. The insulation and base coat preparation for the Brick Effect Render is the same as normal for SPSenvirowall EWI system, the only difference being with the base coat we're going to put a light key using a soft brush. Apply the mortar joint colour to the wall as flat as possible. Include the mortar to corners and reveals. Leave to set for between 30 minutes and 1 hour. The set of the mortar can be determined by a simple hand test. Check that no material sticks to the hand. Here we see a selection of tools for creating the finished detail. Installers will create their own gauge rods using a brick pattern and the cutting tool to calculate the horizontal brick levels. Apply brick colour as flat as possible. Ensure good depth of brick colour to create a visible perp detail and to ensure that the required water protection will occur. While still wet, mark with a brush to create your individual brick pattern. Be aware that the pattern can be created horizontally or vertically for a soldier course detail. Allow the top coat colour to dry. Keep checking the set until the gauge rod can rest against the finish without causing any damage. When the material is dried sufficiently, create a level line horizontally and mark the other horizontal beds from top to bottom of the area. Carry the marks along the wall horizontally using the gauge rod straight edge. Using the long spirit level, cut through the brick colour to show the mortar coat. It's very important not to cut all of the system away back to the original base coat material, as this will remove any protection. Take care to measure correctly before cutting the wall. Use the gauge rod to check how the brick position will align the head and sill position of the window to the soldier course. Using the brick pattern, gauge across the wall, keeping full and half bricks at corners. Use the spirit level to keep the perps straight. Cut soldier courses with the brick pattern and cut in the reveals, ensuring they are square. Clean out beds and brush off any residue. Remember, with render products, always use clean tools and clean water. Remember that render products should be installed at temperatures of 3 degrees and rising and stop when 5 degrees and falling. Always remember, Brick Effect Render can be affected by high relative humidity and will be affected by rainfall while the curing process is ongoing.